Wait, what if I told you everything you learned in sex education was missing one powerful piece? And that piece could change everything about male performance. This isn't a pill, a pump, or some shady supplement. It's something most men have never heard of, Eroxon Gel. And trust me, you're going to want to hear this. If you're over 30, struggling with performance, or just tired of the same advice about eating, this could be your turning point. Eroxon Gel has been making waves in clinical trials. It's fast-acting, doesn't require a prescription, and the best part? It's now being talked about in the world of advanced sex education. Because real knowledge means knowing all the options. So what exactly does it do? Why are men ditching pills for this gel? And how can it fit into your daily routine in under 1 minute? Thousands of men in Europe are already using it and getting results in just 10 minutes. A recent study showed that 63% of men using Eroxon Gel reported improvements in their sexual confidence, stamina, and even relationship satisfaction. Celebs, doctors, sex coaches, they're all talking about it, but most men still have no clue. Why? Because traditional sex education never taught us about this. It was always Viagra or nothing. But now there's a third option, and you don't want to be the last to know about it. Now here's the truth. If your confidence is slipping, your connection is fading, and you're relying on quick fixes that don't always work, it's not your fault. You were never shown the full picture. Imagine combining Eroxon Gel with pelvic floor training, like Kegels, to unlock your full potential. This isn't about faking it. It's about finally understanding how your body works and giving it exactly what it needs, naturally, fast, and safely. I've tested it, others have tested it. The results? Insane. But here's the risk. The longer you wait, the more confidence you lose, the more intimacy suffers. You don't want to keep trying the same broken methods while your partner starts noticing the difference. And here's the reward. Real change without pills, without awkward doctor visits, and without side effects. Eroxon Gel works in minutes. Kegels build strength from within. Together, they create a combo no one taught you in sex ed class, but should have. Sex education is evolving, and now it's about time your performance does too. This isn't just about sex, it's about confidence, connection, control. So if you're ready to try something that's backed by real science and real men, click the link in the description, watch my full test and results. Don't be the last man stuck in the past. Sex education just got an upgrade, and it starts with Eroxon Gel.